people always think of Miami and water. So at Casa Bella, every unit has direct water views. You see the movement in the balconies, so you feel like the water has really influenced the design of the building. John Paul Perez, president of the Related Group. We're creating a truly iconic building. We're bringing three icons together, Arquitectonica, Piero Lissoni, and B&B Italia. We wanted to create a lifestyle, so we wanted to be able to live in an urban setting, having water views, and how better to create that to feel like you're living in Italy.
Casa Bella by B&B Italia is a beautiful project, and for B&B is an important achievement.
Piero Lissoni and B&B Italia truly represent the amazing lifestyle, brand, and quality of Italian living. When we pair that with the iconic architect, we create what it means to live an Italian lifestyle in an urban setting.
It's not enough to design a building, it's not enough to design an architecture, it's not enough to design interior. You need to try to understand in which way the people they like to live. You build a community, you don't build a building.
Best part of living here is that you don't have to leave. You walk in and you have all the services on demand. Food and beverage by the pool. You have a wine room that you can have your private events, private dinners with your own chef that you can bring in. You really have the best of the best here. So we're in the center of the arts district. You're walking distance from everywhere in the city that you want to be. The performing arts centers across the street. 15 blocks away, you're going to be in the design district, which has all of the best high-end shopping, Italian shopping, dining, entertainment. You have FTX Arena, which is another place where they do shows, sporting events. You're 5 minutes across the bridge from Miami Beach. So you really are in the center of it all, living at Casa Bella.
We are presenting the Italian lifestyle and art of living.
We've truly created, an iconic property, and this will really be a landmark for Miami.